all over across the place and throw it across the road so that freestyle and make shit up. Because I can do it like that. Like, now I got great.
Yeah, I did realize it was a lot of meat in that one little pan. So yes, I changed the pan. Ooh, it's so cold. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Ooh, you don't like it. The way the wind not blowing. You see the snow? You want to touch it? Good afternoon, you guys. It is Saturday the 5th. Anyway, I think it's the 5th. I don't know, because we've been in this house all week. Because if you know, Texas had their little snow or whatever, and it's been ice outside, and we've been in this house all week. But we're gonna get out this house. This is how my baby looking. Look at my baby. Say hey. No. Untie your shoe. Okay, whatever. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Uggs with it. Say hey. You been a big boy? Why you looking?
Trying to play?
It looks good, but that fish was horrible. What's up, you guys? I am now at my sister's because we are trip planning. We have a family meeting so we can plan a trip. But anyway, we have a family meeting so we can plan a trip. And yeah, I think we're gonna go to the cabins. I'm not sure, Oklahoma or Oklahoma. I said Oklahoma, or we were trying to figure out which state and everything. With, you know, Oklahoma drive distance from Texas, so. But I don't know. We'll see. Let's put it in there. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
This is mad. And this comes on Sam's. I never seen that.
Me too.
When you looking at each other,
I see him at Walmart.
do it.
My kids get them.
Same hoes, they be really talking big shit until I pull up on their ass with a big bitch.
Yeah.
Lighting bitches up, you would think that it was Christmas. Yeah. Real G bitch, and I do real street shit.
Yeah.
Popping all these hoes like we popping all our bottles. You made against a bitch that be looking like a model. Talking shit today that you might not see tomorrow. I know you been a fan because you been waiting for a follow.
Hey.
Follow. And then I'm gonna pick it up.
Okay,
At the Apollo.
Oh.
I might put it on the rocket ship and set it up like the Apollo, but now I'm an astronaut in space. I might misplace and replace the face of the candy makes and spray that motherfucker all over across the place and throw it across the road so that freestyle and making shit up. Cause I can do it like that. Like now I got a drink in the hand and this nigga drinking like he's a record stand. And you looking at me like, yeah, I'm the man, but I'm really not.
Be glad when he let me braid his hair because as y'all can tell which one went first. This was the first one, this was the second one. A hot mess, but it's okay. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye.
Vlogging?
You want it? Yeah, we at Sam's.
Come here, Bryson.
Look at this in their parking lot, y'all. Look at how he look. Look at his hair. He has some canes. Look at his shoes. Stop it. I know this one about the beam. Oh Lord. Anyway, we outside, y'all. Me and my boy. His hair messed up. He said, "Come on, mommy." He trying to pull me. I said, "Come on." Look at his hair. Oh my God. My baby was being such a crybaby. He was really sitting over there crying. But then he got up and came up missing. I had to go check on him. Where he go? Look at him, y'all. A big boy with his brother.
That's okay. I can
Who he think he is?
can't see the room.
And excuse my baby hair. Like, it's a hot mess. You know what? Okay. Okay, so she hated her hair. She had a hoodie on at school today, and so I had to fix it at the top. She didn't like how spaced out apart it was, so I had to take the top like 6 down and split them all in half and make it more fuller. She wanted a full look. She didn't want this look. She wanted a fuller look. I mean, they neat, but this is not the look she was going for. And this is after I fixed them. They do look better though. Cute. If you're a parent and your kids got these, boil them because they can get mold. So if you know, you know. They can build up stuff inside because you can't really clean them inside of there. So yeah, boil them. He got way more than this, but I don't know where they at. But anyway, I'm about to close out the vlog here. Sorry it was like a little whack vlog, but I'm about to start doing story times. Comment down below what story times y'all want to hear. I think my first one gonna be when I try to fight my male friend. I tried to fight him. I was gonna beat him up. I still will to this day. I'll beat him up. Anyway, this is my coffee in the Paw Patrol cup. But yeah, bye.